What's up, guys? So I have officially had the iPhone 10 for about 24 hours now. It's been working pretty well for me. I've gotten adjusted to the Face ID. I haven't had too many issues until today when I went to take Maddie to the groomers and I had sunglasses on and it did not recognize me with sunglasses outside. So I'm gonna do a test right now. I did rescan my face. What are you doing? I'm setting up my face. So that could have been the issue. But I was also thinking, has anyone tried to do the Face ID underwater? Now the iPhone doesn't claim to be waterproof, it is water resistant.
It's rated as an IP67 rating.
Sure.
By the standards, it's dust and water resistant up to 1 meter, 30 minutes.
Okay. Believe me, I don't want to be in the pool for 30 minutes.
No.
So we are going to do a quick test and see if the phone will recognize my face underwater. Also see if the phone will survive the water. Oh, I didn't think about that. What if it's not fine? I can't get a new phone till mid-December.
Using Jenna's phone and not mine.
Let's get in the water. If you know me, you know that I don't really like to go in the water and I don't like to get my hair wet. Doing it for YouTube.
Super dramatic.
No, I'm not. I am. I also did order a few waterproof cases. I don't even know what the brands are on these cases. I don't think they're the nicest, but just to have them and test that out as well to see if any of like the reflection or if the cases make a difference. So we're going to be doing a few tests here and let's do it. I just now thought about what I was actually doing. Putting my brand new iPhone in water. And now I'm a little nervous.
Just don't keep it under longer than 30 minutes. Don't take it under more than a meter. You'll be fine.
Oh, how about you get in the pool instead? No. So the first test we're gonna do, Face ID with sunglasses outside. It did not work for me. I only tried with one pair, and it actually wasn't this pair. I probably should have brought the same ones, but we're gonna test it out. Sunny's on.
Oh, hello. I see myself.
Oh, you look like you're going to go swimming.
Well, it worked.
Huh. Let's go into the direct sunlight.
I can't see the screen.
It worked.
Did it work?
It did. But I did do a rescan, and it wasn't these sunglasses. This is an inadequate test. Let's get in the water. I can't do it. I can't do it. I hate going in the pool.
It's really cold, too.
It's like 60 degrees outside. Okay, this is all I can go in. Look at these goosebumps.
Yeah, you look cold.
Warm me, son. Here we go, guys. Justine's helping me out. She's gonna be getting the underwater shots with the GoPro and the Sony RX0. We're gonna just go for it because I'm already cold and we gotta get out of the pool. And I'm so scared. Let's just do it. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay, blocking it, starting the screen recording. Under the water, press swipe up, keep my eyes open.
Yes.
Oh my god, is it gonna burn?
I don't know. I can't do it because I have contacts.
Oh, she says,
sorry.
I can't drive. I took my contacts out. Can I hold my nose?
No, you're obscuring your face.
It works. I can hold my nose.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
It's not gonna.
No, it said it. It's worked.
Let's go. What's happening? What's the dilemma?
I can't get a good swipe.
Okay, but you're gonna need to try.
I'm just swiping for my life. See the swipe? It doesn't swipe underwater.
Really?
Yeah. See me? See that?
Yeah.
Are you getting the footage?
I'm getting
me
footage.
not. No swipes.
Okay, so the phone doesn't work underwater. It didn't recognize me. It's like you're wet. I don't understand. So I was facing the sun and it was not recognizing me, so I think it was too bright. But over here, we didn't have an issue. Maybe it's too bright because like the sun is reflecting in the pool. I feel like that has something to do with it.
There's a shade.
No, let's just stay here. It's a look.
I mean, the likelihood that you're gonna really need to use your phone underwater, hopefully
Your life doesn't
depend on it
because I don't think that it's going to work. Oh no! 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 I'm so sorry. I lost it.
3.3 feet. It can be under for a half hour. You're good. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it's so slippery. So I just got out of the pool. I figured I would test to see if maybe having a waterproof case would let me swipe underwater before I actually try it. So we're gonna dunk it. If it works, I'll get back in. If it doesn't, we're gonna go see Maddie. Does not work.
That was fun.
Cool. Now that I'm dried off, let's talk about what just happened. So it makes sense that the phone doesn't work underwater. When my hands get wet, sometimes I have a hard time using the screen. So that completely makes sense. Do I think that if that wasn't an issue, the Face ID would work underwater? Probably not. And if you think about it, the camera is trying to sense and pinpoint your face, and there's probably so many different things that interfere with that in the water that it probably doesn't work. Now, I do realize that this was a super silly test, but I did just wanted to see if it worked and also see if the iPhone was able to survive the water. So far so good. I was able to get the footage off the phone and it's working and no issues. Would I recommend taking your phone into a pool or water? By choice? Probably not. But if your phone happens to get wet, hopefully it's not the end of the world. But do not do what we just did. I would not recommend it. The Apple Store is correct. It should only be water resistant. Do not treat it as if it's waterproof. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Justine for helping me film. I'm excited because I'm actually with her now. She's upstairs getting ready. She's gonna be filming something cooler than what we just did to test out the facial recognition. So check out her channel for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you missed my unboxing, you can watch that. I'll see you guys later.